Bro, he busted his ass. Blue. You already know what's going on. It's your boy G Murd. Your boy TJ.
Boy.
Hold on, I'm just killing a little. It is currently snowing real bad outside. You know what I'm saying? You see all I'm wearing. Got the dogs out. And me and TJ finna go out there just like this and fuck around. You know we don't care. We're gonna go out there like we just don't care. No, I'm just playing. That was corny. But we finna go outside and we'll get right back with you.
Tights. You feel me? We about to go in the snow. You already know what it is.
We're gonna go out there and do some dumb shit pretty much.
Hey, Mom. I'm gonna send you some pictures and videos. I'm gonna call you back.
Yes, you do that. Love you.
Love you too.
Later.
Okay.
Love you, mama.
Later, man. Y'all be good today.
Alright.
We finna go out there. It's gonna be crazy. Woo! Ric Flair drip go. Woo! Look at this nigga hair though.
Yes.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No, 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 no. Look at the top of his head. Look at his lips.
Boy, man.
Bro, I'm scared right now.
I am too.
It's gonna be cold as fuck.
It is. Hey, you gotta record for me one time though. Damn!
What the fuck? Bro, you tripping. It's already cold.
Damn, this shit crazy.
God damn. We out here, man. You see the dogs out. Is that better be soft? Oh. Bro, you hold on. You gotta hold it right here. Cause the camera.
This nigga crazy. Oh, you a bitch. You a bitch.
All right, this for y'all. This for y'all. As soon as I jump in, I'm gonna run back inside.
Oh, yeah. Let's go. No, I gotta jump in too. I'm next. Hold my phone. Give me right.
Let's go.
Right.
Hurry up, nigga. Let's go. Bro, it's cold as fuck. It's cold as fuck. It's cold as fuck, nigga. It's cold as fuck. My feet cold as hell, nigga. Oh, shit. Oh, God.
Damn.
Nigga, my feet fucked up.
They said we couldn't do it. They said we couldn't make it.
Yo.
Damn.
That was fucking crazy. Bro, God damn, my feet cold. We just did the craziest shit in the world. Cali, Miami.
Florida, baby.
This that new shit for us, man.
We back, baby.
We warmed up just a little bit.
I'm about to
Bro,
put my phone in here.
oh man. It's cold as fuck outside. But you know, we ain't done yet.
Pockets.
We ain't done.
Alright.
It's gonna fall in the snow though.
Yeah.
Alright, man.
You going first?
Snow Angel?
I'm finna go first this time. I gotta start that bitch
Oh,
off.
fuck.
Put the phone in your pocket right quick while I start. Hold on.
We're gonna do Snow Angel right here on the
I'm
floor.
finna do a front
Bro,
flip
my-
inside the snow.
A front flip? Oh, I'm gonna
Yeah.
do a front flip too then.
I'm gonna do a front flip inside the snow.
Ah.
G nice, baby. We
All right,
gotta
let's
get
go.
warmed up.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Go. Hit your shit. Hit your shit. Hit your shit. Hit your shit. Oh, hit your shit, guys. Hit your shit, guys. Hit your shit, Cuddy. Hold on. Hit. My turn.
For the vlog one time, baby. G nice.
He busted his ass. Blue. We inside. Oh. Holy shit. Oh yeah. I might get sick.
Yo.
Oh fuck.
Hey.
All that.
Hey, fuck Juju TV. G nice TV, baby.
I mean, you know, I love Juju Smith though. He cool though. I like his
Yeah. Going first? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Catch it fast, baby. Ooh, there you go. Okay. There you go. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, get it back, baby. Ooh.
On the set, hey.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. This nigga. Give me, baby.
Oh, this shit cold.
This shit cold. All right. What you about to do?
Hold on, let's get this out real quick. Hold on.
Got a tight zone, baby. It's cold as hell, baby. G-Nice TV.
It's cold.
Hey, I can't feel my toes.
I can't feel shit. My back burning. Fuck. All right. Good looking, Marley. Appreciate you. Oh, if y'all like that video, y'all better like this fucking video, cause that shit was cold.
We should get so much clout off this video, man.
Y'all don't understand.
Florida, Cali boys, man.
It's cold as fuck.
I can't feel my toes. I'm about to sit in front of the heater, man.
Tyreek Jones, my brother, I love you, dog. I know you at Boise State. I challenge you to do a fucking video just like this and post it, my nigga. So, everybody.
It's the G-Nice challenge.
Yeah, this is a G-Nice challenge.
G-Nice challenge, baby. We starting the movement.
We starting the movement. It's called a G-Nice challenge.
Hey.
Tyreek Jones, Boise
G-Nice
State
TV.
safety. That's my boy. You gotta go in the snow and do what the fuck we just did. George Hicks, Washington State Cougars. George Hicks, I challenge you to do the same shit.
G-Nice challenge, baby.
Hey.
Get with it or get left, man.
Alex
Get with
Madison,
it or get left.
running back, Boise State. That's my boy. I challenge you to do the same shit. Elijah Lilly, if there's snow in New Mexico, you better do the same shit. Well, yeah. I challenge y'all niggas to do this. If y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Like it, share it, subscribe, all that. And we out.